In this video, I'll show you how to set IRA investment goals on Robinhood using the mobile app. Setting retirement goals can help you stay organized and build a long-term investment strategy for your future. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner and go to the Retirement or IRA section. Here, you'll see your IRA account details, balance, and retirement investing options. Next, look for settings related to retirement planning, goals, or portfolio guidance. Depending on your app version, Robinhood may ask questions about your retirement timeline, target retirement age, income goals, or risk tolerance. Carefully answer these questions because they help create investment suggestions and retirement projections based on your preferences. After entering your information, Robinhood may display estimated retirement targets or recommended contribution amounts to help you stay on track. You can adjust your goals anytime by updating your expected retirement age, monthly contribution amount, or investment preferences. To support your goals, consider setting up recurring IRA contributions directly from the app. Tap on Contribute or Add Funds, then choose the recurring investment option to automatically deposit money into your IRA on a schedule. This can help build consistency over time and make it easier to reach your retirement targets. You should also regularly review your IRA portfolio performance and adjust your investments if your goals or financial situation change. Keep in mind that retirement investing is long-term, so market values may rise and fall over time. If you do not see goal-setting tools inside the app, make sure your Robinhood app is updated to the latest version and check whether the feature is available for your account type. And that's how you can set IRA investment goals on Robinhood. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.